Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about the awesome gitbucket, not to be confused with Bitbucket. It's nothing to do with Bitbucket, but it's got more to do with GitHub. It's basically as you can see here, Gitbucket is the easily installable GitHub clone written with Scala. So you can see the project on GitHub. You can fork this. Which I've done, and I've managed to also build it too, which I'll show you here. So here we are. I tried to make it into a Eclipse project, but I'll show you that didn't go too well. But here it's got a little nice bat file to open up a command prompt in this directory, and you just do an ant var. And if you've got SBT, which is the Scala build tool, and ant set up, you should get this, which is the WAR file. So I tried to set up in the Scala IDE, but I didn't have much luck. I get some weird errors. If you know what these errors are caused by, leave your comments. But anyway, that's my own problem. If you can't build this, what you can do is you can go to the release page, and the release page has the pre-built WARs, so you don't need to build it yourself. WAR is just a jar file that's supposed to be run on the server. So it says here that you can deploy it to Tomcat, Jetty, Glassfish. I couldn't get it working with Tomcat, but I did get it working with Jetty, which I will show you next. So you can download Jetty from here. I'm going to use Jetty 8. So you just download this guy and unzip him, and get him out of the way. And just grab one of these bars from the release page. So I'll show you how to set it up now. So I already downloaded a WAR, and I unzip Jetty to where is he? Here. And you take your WAR and you place him in here. So there he is. His gitbucket WAR. And now all we need to do is launch Jetty. I just made a little bat file. It just does that Java. That's jar start.jar. Just because sometimes when I install stuff, it changes the default launch program of jars and whatnot. So yeah, it takes a bit of time for it to get through the gitbucket WAR. I don't know why that is, but anyway. And so it stores the remote repositories in your I think it uses it's got another environment variable you can set, but if you don't set it, then it stores in your user home directory under .gitbucket. So where are you? So I deleted the folder. You'll probably create a folder pretty soon. There you can see it just popped up there, the .gitbucket. And if we go in here, there's not really anything in here yet, but we're going to create some remote repositories and whatnot next. Alright, so I've got Jetty running. So to do that again, go to your, here it is, sorry. Go to your Jetty and just double click on that jar, or create that batch file which I showed you before. And then you'll have this extra command prompt pop up, and now go into a web browser. Oh, and guys, if you can, donate to Firefox. Yeah, so localhost 8080, and then now we've got Jetty. and let's check if it's working. Click the hello world servlet. Hello world, fantastic, working. So to get to the Git bucket, if you've named your jar Git bucket, you can just type in Git bucket like that. Hurry up. There we are. So you've only got the ability to sign in with this screen, and so you have to sign in. And to do that, there's a default account of root. So root, and then you can sign in. So there's no ability to create another user here. So we'll just change that right now. So if we're going to administration, so the default account is an administrator account. So system settings, and just here in account registration, click allow users can create accounts by themselves, and then you have to go down here and click apply changes. Fantastic. Now when you log out, sign out, you can now create a new account, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to log back on as root and create a repository, and we'll show you Git bucket in action. So new repository. So some repo, we'll just call it, and some test repository. And we'll just make it public, and we'll initialize with a README. We'll just play with the README file. So you can see this looks almost exactly like GitHub. So it looks almost the same. You've got this familiar sort of download the sources, zip, yada yada, and here your nice little clone HTTP. So we'll just copy that address, and we'll clone him. So wrong command prompt. So I'm just in a folder right now. I'm happy to work in. So I'll just go git clone, and I can enter this thing in, and yeah, and just like as if you were cloning from GitHub. So now do a dir, and I've got the sum repo there. You can see here. So I'll cd into the sum repo. Yep, and I'll do a git status. Yep, so nothing to commit, working, directory clean, blah 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 blah. I'll just clear all this stuff, and now I'll open up Explorer there, and I'll change the README. No, I don't want this. Yep, so I've got him open, and I'll just make some random change and save him. And now when I do the old git status, you can see, yep, the README has been modified. So I'll just add him to the staging. Let me put git, just get everything, and now do git status again. Yep, so he's now in the staging. So now I can make a commit. And the commit message is just random message. Oh, coming! Food's ready, so I've got to be quick. Here we go, and now we want to push those changes to the remote repository. So do that by git. Oh, so show you the remote repository. Git remote. There it is. Origin. And the current branch I'm on, git branch. Not git master. So we need to do a git push to the origin. And we're pushing the master, and we just enter in our root again. Done. Fantastic. And let's see that it indeed has. Yep, there we are. Make some random change. So that's Gitbucket for you. Very, very impressive piece of software. There we go.